today I'll be doing a voiceover, and let's start with a bit of a story time. That day was actually my birthday, and an ex-colleague of mine treated me for lunch at the restaurant. It was a lot of fun, and he kept ordering food and beers, so as you can imagine, I just got out of the restaurant feeling a bit sluggish, and the first few shots I took were not that great, so I was about to quit when suddenly I saw this scene with the guy in the alleyway with the light behind him creating a silhouette, and I felt really inspired. The scene was beautiful, and when such lucky encounter happened, you have the responsibility to take it and not let it go, which I did, hopefully, because after that I felt really re-energized and more creative, and afterwards I was finally able to get into the zone. Here I really like the light, how it was bouncing on this pipe and windows, and I tried to work the scene a little bit, but and wait for a subject to enter the frame, and I tried putting her on the right side of the frame or on the left side of the frame, but the result is pretty average, I guess. Here is the same, that the scene is nice, but there was too much people, and I guess it would have been better with only one subject in the really dead center of the frame, but it was just too busy, and I was not willing to wait any longer. Lately I'm really into the film look, and because I like how the colors are popping, and I'm trying to emulate that with my digital pictures. And here I was in an area of Geneva which has a lot of colorful things, which I was actually really seeking, so it was the nice place to be, I think. I like this one quite a lot. It's probably because of the bird flying on the left corner of the frame. So there is this really interesting building that I've shot already many times, but so far I've only shot it in a minimalistic way from the side, waiting for a subject to enter in the frame. But this time I'm really happy with the look-up shot, and because of the blue from the sky, which is really deep, and this cloud that has perfect shape and is really white. Just another bicycle, except that this one has a super nice color. Then I was wandering in pretty quiet alleyways close to Plein Palais, and I was playing with the harsh light and the shadows, trying to get some interesting contrasts. Here is a very poor attempt at a reflection shot. I end up only seeing my big hands and the Ricoh GRIII that I was shooting with. There was quite a lot of stylish people in town that day. I like this shot quite a lot, but you know, it's pretty scary sometimes to take pictures of a stranger through the glass, and you know, the Ricoh GRIII has a 28mm, and I was standing a bit too far. I think longer focal lengths would have worked better. Then I needed a short break, so I got myself a bottle of water and I sat down at a tram station, just looking at the trams coming and going, and I got two really good shots in my opinion. There was a beam of light coming at the perfect place, and thanks to that we can clearly identify who's the main subject in this picture, even though there is someone in front and behind him. Another interesting two-wheel vehicle. I felt like a Pokemon, gotta catch them all. This is my frustrating shot of the day. I saw these two guys playing chess in a cafe, I guess, and the scene was so beautiful, but once again, because of the wide angle and because of my shyness, I was afraid to get in closer, and I could only get this one, and it's quite heavily cropped already. And I wrapped up the day with playing again with contrasts, because it was only 2 or 3 in the afternoon, so the sun was still high in the sky, creating this pretty harsh light.